What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted. Links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and I mean, you can see things are pretty much going exactly as predicted, aren't they? Basically, Bitcoin came up to the top of its range at around 40k, and then since then it has actually been having a little bit of a pullback today after 9 green candles in a row, which is obviously quite unsustainable price action. And sooner or later we were going to get like a decent bit of a pullback, and currently I think we're at around 38.5k at the time of recording this video, basically bouncing off that resistance at the top of the channel it formed at around that 41k level. And obviously with that happening, altcoins have obviously stalled out in terms of their rally as well. Obviously in previous videos we did say this movement to the downside for Polygon was absolutely ridiculous and was not sustainable at all. You can see it's just days and days and days of downwards price action. This is actually 8 red candles in a row. Obviously completely unsustainable and unrealistic in terms of price action. And with the market being like a rubber band, we did actually snap back to the upside once we started to get oversold, because obviously the bears got way too greedy here, trying to force the price down. And you can see quite clearly that, you know, we basically bounced off. This is pretty much a perfect fib retracement here that we were talking about before. You can see here we've come in, perfectly hit the 618 retracement and had a really nice bounce to the upside, haven't we? Because obviously this was a ridiculously overextended move, and obviously sooner or later we were going to get the bounce. You can see it here. We basically came down to the fib retracement, bounced back inside of our wedge, which we have been forming for most cryptos for a while here, broke out of resistance, back tested it, came up, tried to break the 55, but obviously ran out of steam, with Bitcoin stalling out as well. And now we're just, you know, like most altcoins, consolidating very nicely between the 20 and the 55 on our daily time frame here. So, you know, things looking pretty damn good for continuation in my opinion. You can see quite clearly on the chart that we are, you know, showing signs of life here. We've obviously found a nice level of support, and we're breaking out of a lot of key resistances here, breaking out the resistance of the falling wedge, which is a bullish reversal pattern, by the way. Obviously holding the 20 as support. Things looking really good from what we can tell with Polygon. Obviously the past few days have been a bit sideways, and that's mostly just because, you know, Bitcoin has basically been trading sideways as well. But you can see, you know, we've reversed really nicely out of this pattern, haven't we? Found that perfect floor on the fib retracement, the 618, came up and broke out here, obviously back testing, and since then we've just been chopping it sideways. But, you know, making really nice headway, aren't we, with our on our hourly time frame here. And we did say, you know, short-term price predictions, if we do start to break out of this level here, around this $1.10 level, then do anticipate that we could be coming up potentially to this 125 level as our next kind of level of resistance. And obviously we can start working our way up through these resistances like this if that's the case. But obviously with Bitcoin pulling back, we're probably going to see Polygon retrace if that's the case, maybe back down to that $1 level, which is, you know, pretty much where we're at now. And then we could potentially come back to this 90-cent level to back test, you know, some previous levels of support before we start to make our way up, because obviously Bitcoin's had 9 green candles in a row. If we take a quick look at Bitcoin so you can see the context of what's happening, you can see on an hourly time frame here, daily candles, 9 green candles in a row, and now we're getting a bit of a retracement here. On our hourly time frame, you can see we've basically come up really fast, and now we're kind of, you know, back testing some support, potentially to get some support before we move on. But you can see quite clearly that bullish divergence for Bitcoin played out to perfection, didn't it? We've been calling this for months and everyone was saying that it was complete nonsense. So We're actually quite proud that we managed to call this. As you can see, it has played out to absolute perfection, especially with the massive short squeeze that we're seeing. And obviously, with the EMAs here, you can see it's probably only a matter of days before the 20 is going to cross the 55 here. And obviously, if that's the case, that's the buy and go to the beach, buy Coins Kid reference to, you know, guarantee that we're probably going to be going up very, very soon. Obviously, every time this happens on our time frame, this is on daily time frame here, you can see obviously ever since then we've been pretty much just going upwards, haven't we? So obviously, when you start to get up above your EMAs as well as we have here, you want to be seeing back testing them before we run up again. And obviously, a lot of people are calling for this, maybe at that 36.5, 37k here. But obviously, with Bitcoin doing that, it seems quite likely, in our opinion, that, you know, Polygon's obviously going to start to move as well. And we are very bullish on Polygon as a project itself, but purely from the technicals. Obviously, everything's following Bitcoin right now. So with Bitcoin having a retracement, it does seem like, you know, Polygon is currently stalling out in between our EMAs here and just consolidating, you know, just vibing in this range here. And, you know, if Bitcoin does fall back to back test, we could see ourselves pulling back momentarily. But we do think that, you know, a lot of trends are being reversed here. You can see quite clearly breaking out of resistances of all kinds, finding good support. And it does seem as though we're showing signs of life and signs of strength. So in the short term, as we said, if we do see Polygon starting to break out of this level here, at around this 113 level, do anticipate at least around this 120 level or the 125 level as your price targets in the short term. And then obviously in the long term, we said we do think Polygon has the potential, and it is quite likely, in our opinion, that we'll probably reach around that $10 mark, considering how good this project is. Not to mention how incredibly small its market cap is for what it's actually offering in comparison to things like Ethereum. It's basically just a really, really good project, and it's probably going to do very well in the long term. A quick look at the weekly here. No signs of a bear market. We're actually holding the 20 as support now. After, you know, coming down below the 20 for a few weeks, we're holding it as support currently here, as you can see. And, you know, it's looking really, really bullish, isn't it? Basically for Polygon. If we just zoom in here, you can see quite clearly we are actually holding the 20 as support here on the weekly time frame, which, you know, is super bullish. And we're probably going to, you know, if we can hold this 20 on the weekly time frame, I mean, that's going to be amazing for continuation, because you can see, if we go on auto here, you can see we've been absolutely on a massive tear, haven't we? And we're kind of back testing our supports here, aren't we, before continuation for the rest of the bull run. And you can see, you know, things are going really well. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.